Welcome to WordCraft. Today, we're learning 5 fun compound words you can use every day. Let's dive in. Jelly and fish come together to make jellyfish. A jellyfish is a sea creature with a soft, jelly-like body and long tentacles. For example, we saw a jellyfish swimming near the shore. Butter and fly come together to make butterfly. A butterfly is a colorful insect with large, delicate wings. For example, a butterfly landed on the flower in the garden. Moon and light come together to make moonlight. Moonlight is the soft, glowing light from the moon at night. For example, they walked on the beach under the moonlight. Lady and bug come together to make ladybug. A ladybug is a small, round insect with a red shell and black spots. For example, she found a ladybug crawling on a leaf in the garden. Flash and light come together to make flashlight. A flashlight is a portable light powered by batteries, used to see in the dark. For example, he used a flashlight to find his way in the dark. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun vocabulary lessons. See you next time on WordCraft.